Welcome to Ride Geek. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Ultra, a machine that promises to redefine your touring experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the Harley family, this bike has features that are sure to impress. At first glance, the Street Glide Ultra commands attention with its iconic batwing fairing and sleek lines. The new fairing lowers are shorter yet broader, designed to enhance aerodynamic comfort and provide better leg protection. Integrated vents allow riders to adjust airflow, ensuring comfort across various riding conditions. The clear windshield stands 4 inches taller than standard models, significantly reducing helmet buffeting by up to 60%. The two-up comfort seat is ergonomically crafted, rotating the rider's hips forward to relieve spine pressure, while the passenger enjoys a plush seat with armrests and a robust back pad. Chrome or black tank medallions and saddlebag guards not only add to the bike's aesthetic appeal but also offer functional protection. Under the hood, the Street Glide Ultra is powered by the Milwaukee 8 117V twin engine. This beast delivers 105 horsepower at 4,600 revolutions per minute and a torque of 130 pound-feet at 3,250 revolutions per minute, providing ample power for both city cruising and long-distance touring. The liquid-cooled cylinder heads and centrally located radiator ensure optimal engine temperature, enhancing performance and longevity. Harley-Davidson has equipped the Street Glide Ultra with state-of-the-art technology to elevate your riding experience. The 12.3-inch TFT touchscreen, powered by the Skyline OS, offers intuitive access to infotainment, navigation, and customizable ride modes: road, sport, rain, and custom. Hands-free voice recognition simplifies navigation commands, allowing you to find gas stations or other points of interest without taking your hands off the handlebars. The bike also features vehicle hold control, preventing rollback on inclines, and a tire pressure monitoring system to ensure you're always riding safely. Safety is paramount on the Street Glide Ultra. The Reflex Defensive Rider Systems (RDRS) include cornering-enhanced anti-lock brakes, traction control, and drag torque slip control, all of which adapt to the bike's lean angle to maintain stability. The new fairing lowers with adjustable air vents, coupled with fork-mounted air deflectors, provide improved aerodynamic comfort, reducing rider fatigue and enhancing control. Designed with the long-haul traveler in mind, the Street Glide Ultra offers 4.9 cubic feet of storage, more than double that of the standard Street Glide. The King Tour POC luggage carrier comes standard and includes a robust passenger back pad with armrests, ensuring your co-pilot rides in absolute comfort. The saddlebags are easy to access with a one-touch opening system, making it effortless to grab your essentials on the go. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Ultra starts at around $32,999 in the US, with higher-end trims and additional accessories pushing it even further. Given its powerful engine, premium touring features, advanced technology, and the sheer comfort it provides, this price tag places it in the upper echelon of luxury touring motorcycles. So, is the Street Glide Ultra worth it? If you're looking for a premium long-distance touring motorcycle that delivers performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, this bike is an excellent investment. It's built for riders who crave adventure without compromising on safety, convenience, or style. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Ultra. What do you think of this bike? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time on Ride Geek.